Okay, so on the Elite 3.0 machine, we have an adjustable foot treadle. So these are black knobs that you just remove. So on this, I removed the right side, I'm gonna move the left. With the Elite machine, it comes with feet, which is right here. If you just use the feet only, this is a great way to adjust the foot pedal. Okay, so you're gonna lift this up. And again, it's got slider holes, if you can see there. So that's all your different height adjustments. You can see where the initial one was. So if you want to go higher or you want to go lower. Okay. So yeah, let's go higher. Okay, so this would be like your top notch right here. Right there. So this would be a little bit higher in case you have shorter legs or if you want to sit down at the machine. Great. Your traditional 2-inch castors on the machine. You want to put your foot treadle on the floor so you can put your heel down on the ground, hit the pedal like this. Just go drop the adjustable foot treadle right to the floor so you could basically mount it this way. Now if you wanted to adjust it, you can do that as well. If you want to go higher, because you're sitting down, you can go all the way up to like this level. So it's about a 6 to 8 inch height adjustment level with the foot treadle.